So what I like to do is I'll back butter 3 tiles at a time. And this floor is really out of level, so that's why I'm going with this method. You got a helper, you can have a helper going behind you or in front of you, doing the running the screed, little homemade screed, level, duct tape, a piece of tile that's the same thickness as what you're using on the floor. The duct tape here allows you to screed atop the tile and not hurt that existing tile. You can take the spacers out on the pieces that you've already set, get them out of your way, but there's really no need. So just use I like to grab this handle, set it right on top of the existing tile, and then just turn your screen, making sure you're staying atop the existing tile, because that is a nice level surface. You don't have to push real hard. Now you have a perfectly level surface, and it's got just enough down there to where you can push on it really good. You pretty much put all your body weight on there. Messy on this one. It does get a little bit messy sometimes, but it is so much faster than picking up pieces and troweling and dotting and all that. Pretty much you got your as quick as that is, throw some spacers in there, and we can just continue on. That's 6 square feet in a matter of 30 seconds, 1 minute if you do it right, if you have help. So pretty cool little trick.